Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So this is live price prediction of Dogecoin. Whether the video is very important because the condition is very critical. Minus 17.39%. They are lost now. What happening in upcoming time for our holders? This is very bad time. But don't worry, Aviastic channel will guide you absolutely. If you follow Aviastic channel, you will never lose. So you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. If you are just in only watch this video, so I will give you guarantee to you will never lost. Kindly remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you please research personally after watching video. My brothers, Dogecoin were fails down in the last 7 days, minus 17.39%. The price is decreased now. So what's the reason? The reason was that my brothers, this is the start of month and absolutely they were fails down. And don't worry my brother, if they were fails down, so that does not mean to they were fails down for ever, my friends. They will permanently fails down. Just and only they were fails down for a short time, and I hope to after this short fails they will take a very huge jump and they will give us a very good profit now. So my brother, as you can see here, this time they were fails down, especially here very badly. But don't worry my brother, my prediction is clearly told this my friends, to after a phase absolutely my friend every coin will take a very huge jump now. As you can see here, this is completely this they will moving in this circulation. For a short time they were moving upward, but definitely I am 100% sure in the last point, as you can see my friends, they were fails down, but I am 100% sure to after these long fails they will take a very huge jump now. So this is my prediction and I am 100% sure they will give you a profit. Let's see my brother, if my friends, I just check out last 3 days chart. This is very important now. So you can see here in last 3 days especially they were very badly lost, minus 13.56%. This is the price will decrease now. So therefore I will notify you to don't worry my brother, this is just an only short fails and for short time. This is not a very danger and risky. But if you are hold, so they will moving upward. But if you are starting selling, so they cannot moving upward and they are completely in the loss. Thanks for watching Dogecoin Holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want to earn money in a crypto, subscribe this channel.